Okay, always we are sitting in hotels. Today we are sitting in West Bakery at Kalur.
Yeah.
Okay. OK Latheef, I wish to ask you about one WhatsApp group of Fasal Koyilandy.
Yeah, Fasal Koyilandy. That was a wonderful experience. Yeah.
Are you a member of that group now also?
Yeah, I am now that group. I am now member. Yeah. That group, but activities, not activities. Many persons are there.
But why you are not going there? You can take this tea.
Yeah.
Just take it.
Yes. Okay.
Yes. And you can have the tea also.
One cup of coffee.
You can drink it. No problem.
Okay.
Already I have taken a coffee, so I have no problem. Okay. Is it hot?
Oh yeah. Very hot.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
So you
My
can.
tongue.
Okay. My tongue. Tell me what will happen.
Hello, my tongue is very soft. But coffee is very hot. Yeah. Not not cherula.
It will not match. You can say.
Not match. Yeah.
Okay. Then, so we were talking about Fasal Koyilandy.
Fasal Koyilandy is a YouTuber, very good YouTuber. Fasal Koyilandy,
he has added me.
He has added me, yeah.
Added me in that group.
Yeah.
That group was a very good group.
Yeah. 5 years ago.
Yes.
5 years ago. That time I didn't understand what is the YouTube.
Okay. Yes.
YouTube. I don't know YouTube. I don't know Facebook. Okay.
So you have learned everything from that group.
Yeah.
Okay. Then, what is your opinion about Fasal Koyilandy?
Fasal Koyilandy, Fasal Bhai, please watch this video.
Yes.
Yeah, you are a very great man.
Yes.
Very good character. Yeah. Knowledge ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്യൂല നോളജ്
എന്താ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത് മലയാളത്തിൽ
അറിവ് ബ്ലോക്ക് ചെയ്യൂല.
He will not block the knowledge. That what you said is right. There are some people, they will not release their knowledge, they will not share their knowledge to others. But Fasal Koyilandy is ready to give his knowledge to all people.
YouTube daily updation and the YouTube algorithm and the criteria, all types of YouTube criteria shared daily our group and the YouTube.
Yes. That is the speciality of Fasal Koyilandy.
He's a wonderful man.
Yes.
Fasal bhai,
That's all. Okay. Fasal Koyilandy, and I wish to tell about Fasal Koyilandy. I joined in that group. Within few weeks, you also joined in that group, and in that way only we came to know each other. Okay. So I also give a hats off to Fasal Koyilandy. Okay, I want to ask about your haircut. What happened? Did you cut your hair today?
No. This haircut is
When did you cut your hair?
Tamanam.
When? Is it today?
No. അതാണ് ഞാൻ ആലോചിക്കണം. Yesterday.
Day before yesterday.
Day before. അത് സാധനം കിട്ടിയില്ല.
Okay.
Day before yesterday.
What is the Malayalam word for that? Miniyanne. We can say day before yesterday.
Yeah.
Very good.
കുഴപ്പമില്ല.
No. It is. This is what is called youngsters haircut.
I am a younger.
Yes. I am a younger is wrong. I am a youth.
I am a young man.
I am a young man is correct.
Yeah.
Or you can say I am a youth.
Yeah.
Both is good. Then you can drink your coffee.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You can talk about this place also. How is the coffee?
Coffee is very good coffee.
You can tell about this shop.
Normal hot and tasty, very tasty.
Very tasty.
this bakery is best bakery in Kalur.
At Kalur.
This bakery is best bakery at Kalur.
At Kalur. Ernakulam Kalur.
Yeah, Ernakulam Kalur.
And this is very near to Kalur bus stand.
Yeah, Kalur bus stand, Kalur, near to metro station.
And my house is also very near to this bakery.
Please come to Osmo's house.
Yes. Hello friends, if you come to my home, we can take fantastic tea and coffee from Best Bakery. Okay, I think now we can conclude.
Yeah, conclude.
Okay. Thank you, OK Latheef, for spending time with me.
Yeah,
Bye.
Thanks a lot.